Let's face it, air travel is stressful, but here in Nashville, they're finding clever and interesting ways to make it easier and actually a lot prettier. Emily, Joel.
Hey, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, congratulations. This is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, Joel, can you tell me about Corgan?
Sure. We're a global design firm, and one of our areas of specialization is aviation design. And that focus allows us to gain a really deep understanding of the scale and the complexity, the needs of operators and the needs of passengers that are so critical in airport design.
It's so massive. Where do we even begin?
We are all about process and collaboration, and from day one with the Nashville Airport, we had a series of visioning sessions with them. From those sessions, we were able to develop design objectives and experiential themes.
And those themes were Cumberland Forest, which drew inspiration from the natural environment of the region, Music City, and of course Nashville is known around the world as a center of music and entertainment, and Sweet Home Nashville, which focused on the warm, welcoming sense of hospitality that Nashville is known for and Nashvillians are so proud of.
As you enter the facility, you're greeted by this great suspended sculpture by Jacob Hashimoto that cascades down several floors of the building. As you descend down the escalator, there's this great placemaking opportunity, an Instagrammable moment, if you will.
Everybody loves those.
They sure do, and they love to come stand right here in this very spot and take photos looking over.
Art is very important to the airport. We actually own over 200 pieces of art.
Incredible. So tell me about this piece.
So this piece is called The Unscalable Ramparts of Time. It's actually 8,000 washi paper kites on fiberglass rods. We have an Arts at the Airport commission that was founded in 1988, and they go and acquire the art for us.
Wow.
And determine what pieces, fit the space and meet the needs of the architecture. We have sculptures, paintings, video walls, lots of music. We're Music City,
of course.
And we have garden on the wall.
So Mine, it's a garden on the wall. How do you water it?
Well, that's the fun part about it. You don't have to because they're created with preserved plants, and preserved plants are non-living. It's actually a directive that came from Nashville Airport Direct. They did not want to have living walls, so they don't deal with the plumbing aspects.
Got it. So we're standing in airport security, which is normally really stressful, and that feels like it's mitigated a bit.
That is so true, and that's what Corgan team tried to do, is bring biophilic design to this space. Biophilia, which is essentially our innate connection to nature, what you feel when you walk through a forest or a meadow, how you de-stress and your blood pressure lowers and you calm down, and it even helps with mood swings.
Oh, wow.
And this is actually a very important aspect for the neurodiverse community because it also helps with noise pollution.
So the architects told me that the Cumberland Forest was a big part of their inspiration.
That's true. So when they reached out to start the design process, Nashville Airport's art curator was also part of the conversation. The art aspect of it was that they wanted to include more scenes from Nashville and what Nashville represents. So as we looked at different design options, we ended up with these two iconic bridges that allowed us to create a playful design layout that incorporated the greenery from the Cumberland Forest.
And there's two of them, which is so nice because it feels like you're being hugged by nature.
Oh, that's so nice to hear.
70,000 people pass through this airport every day. And lucky for them, they don't have to go to an art gallery or a museum to see amazing art.
If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more every week.